Hi and welcome to this Blueberry Markets video update with me, John Kibler, head currency analyst. In this video we're going to go for pound Kiwi. This is one of the charts that I really like this week for some upside, so I'm just going to explain why I think this market could move. And first of all, I'm going to talk about kind of the seasonality involved with this and why it looks good to the upside. So I've placed a couple of basically boxes on here which suggest what happened on previous times around this year. We also, I've missed one just through here actually, around there. So typically end of July, start of August, we see a rally in this market. So this was back in 2017. The market rallied to the upside. This is 2018. The market rallied. Remember, these are weekly charts, so these moves are quite long moves. This was 2019 where we had a really decent move to the upside, and now 2020 we're in a similar situation here. Now, out of those four situations there, three of them went oversold on the RSI, and we had some decent moves. The only one that didn't go oversold on the RSI was this one just here, and obviously that was a shorter move. So what I'm looking at here is the fact that we've got Kiwi on our strength and weakness table, suggesting that it's going to start to lose some value. So I'm looking at selling the New Zealand dollar against stronger currencies. Pound is one of those currencies that looks to be gaining a little bit of strength, so we're obviously seeing the market push to the upside. I love the fact that the RSI has gone into an oversold condition and is coming out of that on a weekly time frame. That is usually a good sign that price is going to push to the upside. Just looking there previously as well, you can see that. So just diving into this in a bit of a zoomed in view and what we could expect from this market. Looking at this from the weekly time frame, I would say that this market obviously is making lower lows. However, we're in a sort of retracement phase on the weekly, and it could come up into a couple of areas of resistance, and I usually like to look at previous swing lows. So this area here around about 1.98 could be an area where price retraces to before seeing any kind of rejection. So I like the idea of buying this market up into this zone. So if I go into that daily time frame, what I'm looking for now is trend. Is the trend lining up with my bias? Because obviously you can see here when the trend is obviously moving, we want to be trading that. So we want to be buyers of this market, so we need to see an uptrend form. And at the moment we've had this nice little consolidation area. The market's come back down into it. It's moved sideways a little bit, retested the lows, but now it's breaking out, which is a great sign. So what I want to see is a confirmed close above this candlestick high just through here. And the reason being is because that will show us that the market could be potentially changing cycle, moving to the upside. So what I want to see is this market form that new high. If it forms that new high, I want to be saying to myself, right, okay, the trend is potentially changing here. Pound Kiwi is potentially now going to move to the upside. So what I want to look for is that pullback into this key supporting zone, this previous structure high, and then look for those long trading opportunities, which is what I'm going to do here on Pound Kiwi. I'm going to look for the market to push to the upside, head for that 1.98 level, and then we can look for obviously rejections at that point. But at the moment in time, obviously it's still early days. We want to see that another confirmed real close above, and then we can start looking for that retracement trade to the upside. But pound Kiwi, just wanted to bring to your attention because of that weekly setup and the seasonal pattern that we're starting to see from this market. So really good opportunity to buy pound Kiwi. Keep this on your watch list this week, and I'll catch you in the next video.